Welcome to Sunil Excel Tricks. Subscribe if you like it, please share it.
Hope everyone is good, and today we are going to teach you with the if formula how we can use the emoji. So let's start. So as you know everyone, if formula, type if, open the bracket, select the criteria, and greater than or equals to, we need to give the logic, and we will take 35 as a benchmark, and if it is 35 we are pass, and if it is less than 35 we'll take it as a fail. So you need to type 35 and double quote pass, and you need to close double quote, and you need to give comma, and again double quote fail. So copy paste, you will get pass or fail. So now this is the normal formula which we are using. So but now we are going to teach you how we can use with the same formula emoji also. So now the same if formula, greater or equal to 35. Now the trick is double quote, and on your keyboard use Windows plus dot, so you will get a pop-up like this. Emoji pop-up you will get, like whatever you like you can use it. Windows dot, so you can select which emoji like you will like it. So then double quote, bracket close, copy paste, so you'll get all the emojis. You can try whatever emoji you want, you can try.
Please comment what you like to learn.